Like, I literally cannot even afford a Costco hot dog. I have no money. All right, guys, welcome back. This is paycheck number 1 of 200 until retirement. Let's check out the first paycheck. But before we do, let's look at the salary. Let's look at the current portfolio before we look into it. And let's look into how much I put into this paycheck. All right, so now that the stats are on the screen, let's take a look at the salary. So in this paycheck, I got $3,445.30 for gross pay. Okay, so this is before any deductions, anything like that. What did I put away for my 457B? Again, I'm trying to max it out before the end of the year. We are sitting at $2,670. Okay, this is what I put away. This is what I'm saving. Technically pension is saved, but you know, in the current grand scheme of things, I don't really count it. Okay, if it comes through, it comes through. Union and all other taxes and deductions. What is my net pay? Yep, $1.27. $1.27. I cannot even buy a Costco hot dog and a drink. I can't even afford $1.50 Costco anything. Okay, I can get Arizona iced tea though still, so that's kind of good. But I gotta feed myself somehow. But unfortunately, not getting that Costco hot dog this time. So yes, you can kind of see my earnings here, right? $3,445 for earnings, and deductions $3,444, and then federal taxable is the amount is $430. Okay, net pay $1.27. All right, so let's take a look at the portfolio right now. Now this one's a little off, and the only reason why it's a little off is because it's not counting one of my brokerages. So the new amount roughly is about $32,670. Okay, we'll just average it out to about 30,000. It's a little bit more than that, but for the sake of this video and just progressing it, because for whatever reason Credit Karma is not doing it properly, we're sitting at around $30,000. Now it hasn't updated right now because, you know, it takes a little bit of time for it to kick in on the 457B. It takes about 2 days for the money to kind of kick in there. So yeah, we're going up, guys. We're going up, and by the end of the year I should have $18,690 in my 457B. By the end of the year, I have 6 more paychecks. Okay, 6 more paychecks. I'm gonna have $18,690 in there, bringing my total investment account to around $48,000 by the end of the year. So yeah, we're getting there. This is paycheck number 1 of many. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. Subscribe, because it's just crazy journey. No one's ever done this before, where they're recording literally every paycheck they get until retirement. They'll show you the end result where they're sitting in, you know, the beach, and they're telling you and sipping on a margarita and telling you how they got there, but they don't show you how they got there. They don't show you how they got there. I'm showing you how I'm getting there. And if it takes 10 years, you're going to see how it's done. If it takes a little longer, that's all right. The journey just continues. Subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.